Hello, 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 everyone. How is everyone doing today? Nice little choppy back and forth day. So, hope everybody survived that. I learned quite a lot today. I am an outdated boomer that does not understand the markets at all. So, that's what I've been told. So, I don't know what you're doing tuning into this stream then. Uh, Again, how's everyone doing? Let's see who's here. Davey, good afternoon. Connor, can you explain what happened to HKD this last week? Uh, you mean this company? You mean right there? HKD? That has essentially no revenue, no earnings, no nothing. A digital platforms in Asia with business spanning multiple verticals. It's just another pump and dump. Another pump and dump that got to, I mean, what the market cap hit over 300 billion today or something. So, yeah, that's what's going on. We'll get Bob. Maybe Bob can explain it in a bit. Maybe Bob can explain it. Hey, yeah, and Ferrari Bob will be on soon. Good afternoon, Jacob. Hey, Mickey. Uh, I'm not even going to respond to some of these comments. Yeah, we were watching for the rollover to 10-year bonds. They actually took some of the Fed speak a little more seriously than the markets. Let's see. Let's see. Where do we sit? Good afternoon, Patrick. Good afternoon, George. Is Bob bringing tacos or meatballs? Well, it's Taco Tuesday, but Bob's Italian. Maybe he's bringing meatball tacos. That's probably blasphemy, though, in somewhere. Bob, here's one for Bob. I'll bring him on soon. Bob, I love the one-word drinking game. Simple and fun. Uh, can you chat about stop management for the 4-hour ES double top? Let's say you bought three MES right around the confirmation point. Sorry, 120 stop. How you unwind? You unwind it all. We'll talk about it. The 4-hour, the new 4-hour, the other one. Good evening. The other little double top got stopped earlier today. Let me just go through a couple things, then we'll bring Bob on. We got tomorrow 8:45. We got the uh, S&P Global Composite and Services PMIs. The final ones, remember, they dropped into contraction before they were a big miss. We have at 9 a.m. Central the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. So we'll see if that contracts. We have factory orders. Then we also have ISM non-manufacturing prices. We'll keep an eye on that. Then we also have the crude stuff. Other than that, pullback day in a number of the mega caps, except for Tesla still rallying. Banks and everything decided to finally pull back this afternoon. Had some interesting earnings out after the close. The 25 basis point slightly falling, and the 50 basis point rising slightly after those Fed op-eds and interviews. So we'll see if the market's actually believing it. And very small tip back into negative gamma territory. We had AMD report they were down. PayPal, I saw they issued a new stock buyback. Again, we're back into stock buyback mode. Airbnb, which finished the double before earnings, hitting it very nicely. And then I think that was a gap lower. Who's got the news on MicroStrategy, though? So that's what I saw some buzz about that. By the way, tomorrow morning, not a ton I'm keying off of, but we'll definitely check in on CVS Health. I'll see if anything else jumps out at me. With that, I'm gonna bring Bob on. Bob's gonna make sense of this market. Bob is gonna make sense of everything for us. We don't. And if you want to hear Bob, just subscribe there. I did my subscribe thing. Let's see. Is anybody still there? Let's see. Can people hear me yet, or do I have to restart the live stream?